contestants' pattern opening remarks. And now to help us understand how our contestants will be judged today, and to introduce the esteemed members of our panel, let us welcome Sir James Quintayo for the presentation of our criteria for judging and the introduction of our jury.
Palakpakan sa akin, wala pa talaga namimili. Good afternoon, panel of judges, kids, fellow science teachers. Maayong hapon sa tanan. Good afternoon. Okay, so to be judged as our scientists look alike, we have here first our mechanics. First, must imitate the scientist, can be local or foreign. Second, should imitate the costume, clothes, physical appearance, or the looks of the chosen scientist. Third, invention or discovery of the scientist will be presented within 2 minutes. And fourth, background props are allowed. For the criteria for judging, we have here creativity 50%, which includes the resemblance to the imitated scientist, costume, makeup, and looks. 30% came from the presentation, your speech, and the audience communication. And stage presence, which include the overall impact, is 20%, with a total of 100%. Ayan, so para tulungan kami mga grade 6 science teachers to choose. Siyempre, lahat kayo best na eh. But the best among the best. Di ba may top 5 tayo na kukunin? First will receive a gold medal. Second is silver medal. And the third, fourth, and fifth placers will receive a bronze medal, courtesy of our science school coordinator, Sir Victor. Palakpakan naman si Sir. Ayan. Sila nag-prepare ng medals nyo, kaya kung hindi nyo gagaling, wala kayong medals galing sa kanya. Okay, so let me introduce to you our judges for today's activity, Scientists Look Alike Edition for grade 6. And our first judge, of course, is Dr. Julieta C. Fabro. Ayan. Baka magtanong mo ba, hindi naman si ma'am. Hindi ako tinitrain, siya po ang taga-critic ko. Ganito gawin mo, i-improve yung ganito. So ngayon tutulungan niya tayo para mapili kung sino yung top 5. Our second judge, of course, kilala niyo na siya. Yung iba dito, naging teacher niya nung grade 5. Ang masasabi ko, isa siya sa pinaka-excellent na science teacher natin dito sa Pembo Elementary School. Hindi na science teacher, kundi isa pa siyang ICT expert. Ma'am Eileen A. Garcia. And our chief judge, of course, isang science expert din. Siguro naging teacher niyo siya nung grade 3 kayo. Nabutan niyo siya. Yeah, siya yung ating school science coordinator, Sir Victor P. Lida. Ayan, so kids, good luck sa inyong lahat. Thank you.
Thank you, Sir James, and thank you to our honorable judges for being with us today. We are excited to see how our contestants will shine. And now, the moment we've all been waiting for, it's time for our contest proper. Let's get ready to be amazed as our talented grade 6 students take the stage, dressed as famous scientists, ready to bring them to life and show us the future through their eyes. Contestants, show us what you got.
Tagalin muna natin.
Some of you may know me as the first human to set foot on the moon. I was born in 1930, Ohio, USA. At a young age, I was fascinated by flight. At just 16, I already earned my pilot's license before I even had a driver's license. Later, I became a test pilot with NASA. On July 20, 1969, during the Apollo 11 mission, I stepped onto the moon surface and said the words many of you might recognize. That's one small step for a man, one giant leap for mankind. But beyond those famous words, it showed the world that if we work together with courage, science, and innovation, even the impossible becomes possible. Today, I stand here not just as Neil Armstrong, but as a reminder to keep reaching for the stars, because that next giant leap could be yours.
Wow. Wow.
Thank you so much. Our first